Today I will show you how to extract Landsat image and subsetting image. Create USGS account, then download the data based on path and row. Study area, the first one is Jijiga. Jijiga found path 166, row 54. Gudi found or located path 165, row 56. So today I will show you only Jijiga. So first extract layer, then Landsat 8 2023 path 166, row 054. This is the first four digit indicates the year or revisit time. 02 months, 14 day of capturing Landsat data. Then select this data, then extract, select extract file. Zip data convert into unzip. Select new folder. Landsat 2023, then OK. This one is Landsat 2023. Then open a folder and show the number of band. Now this one is extractor file of Jijiga entity surrounding, Jijiga town entity surrounding. Then first select the number of band based on image resolution. Okay, based on image resolution, either spatial or spectral image resolution for the application of land use land cover. Okay, so band 1 is aerosol or coastal image within spatial resolution 30 by 30. Band 2 blue band. Band 3 green. Band 4 red. Band 5 near infrared. Band 5. Band 6 short wave infrared. Band 7 short wave infrared 2. So only select 6 band. Band 2, band 3, band 4, band 5, band 6, band 7. Select only 6 band. Totally Landsat 8 consists 11 band. For land use land cover change detection, only use 6 bands based on the spatial resolution and spectral resolution. Then copy new folder Landsat 8 2023. Then enter, paste. Then copy folder, then go to local disk A, then ArcGIS tutorial 2025, then paste. Then go to ArcMap, add data, select Landsat 8, then select all band, add. First band composite or layer stack. Now layer stack means it is a process of combining a multiple raster layer into single multi-band. Then window, then image analyze. Go to image analyze. This one is image analyze tool. Window, then select all. Select all band, then processing, clip, mask, then composite band. Then select composite band. Then remove the selector. This is composite layer. This rename, then type name Landsat 8 2023. Then apply. Okay. Second procedure, subsetting image. Subsetting image, then add area of interest or vector data. Let's see, add Somali Orada. Then hello. Select hello. Okay. Right click. Open attribute table. Then check name of Orada. Okay, Jijjiga town. Select Jijjiga town. Where is the Jijjiga town? This one is, yeah, this one is Jijjiga town. Then right click, then data, export the data. Select output folder. Okay, Landsat, and this one Jijjiga town. Then save. Okay. Yes. My study area is Somali town. Then remove color, inside color, boundary, red, number of outline width 2. Then okay. Projection system of raster data or Landsat data and vector data Jijjiga town must be similar. Spatial analysis tool, then extraction. Then extract by mask. Double click, extract by mask. Then input data, Landsat 8. Raster data. Input raster or feature mask, Jijjiga town. Then okay. Then select extract data. Then export data. Then select output folder. Write the name Jijjiga 2023. Then format, TIFF format. Then yes. Then untick the remaining data. Now this one is Landsat image of Jijjiga town. Then adjust the number of band RGB, symbology, then fix the number of bands, 3 to 1. True color composition, then apply. Okay.